Apricot Kernel Oil. Apricot kernel is the inner part of the seed of the apricot fruit. The kernel is used to produce oil and other chemicals used for medicinal purposes. Apricot kernel carrier oil, also referred to simply as apricot oil, is a lightweight carrier oil pressed from the oil-rich kernels of apricots. Used for many centuries, apricot kernel oil continues to be used in skin, hair, and health care for its softening, hydrating, rejuvenating, and nourishing properties. It is comparable to almond oil and can be used as a substitute. It is pale golden and odorless, and it is suited for all skin types. It's a good source of bioactive compounds such as tocopherols and phytosterols. The main chemical constituents of apricot kernel carrier oil are oleic acids, linoleic acids, alpha-linolenic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, vitamin A, and vitamin E. Oleic acids, omega-9, are known to maintain the softness, suppleness, and radiance of skin and hair, stimulate the growth of thicker, longer, and stronger hair, and to reduce the appearance of aging, such as premature wrinkles and fine lines. Linoleic acids, omega-6, are known to moisturize hair and promote its growth, facilitate wound healing, and soothe acne and reduce chances of future outbreaks. When used in oil blend, it is beneficial for use on acne-prone skin. Alpha-linolenic acid, omega-3, is known to lessen inflammation and control blood clotting on the skin. Palmitic acid is known to have emollient properties, soften hair without leaving a greasy or sticky residue, and be the most common saturated fatty acid. Stearic acid is known to have cleansing properties that purge dirt, sweat, and excess sebum from hair and skin. That way it has exceptional cleansing properties and also be an ideal emulsifying agent that binds water and oil and softens skin. Sought out for its high vitamin E content and skin softening properties, apricot kernel oil is easily absorbed into the skin. Rich in essential fatty acids like oleic and linoleic acid, this oil helps skin maintain moisture balance and provides a toning effect with regular usage. Suitable for dry and prematurely aged skin. Used topically, apricot kernel carrier oil works to moisturize dry, sensitive skin and to smooth out blemishes, wrinkles, fine lines, and other symptoms typical of maturing skin. Its high level of unsaturated fatty acids makes it non-greasy, and its combination of oleic, linoleic, and linolenic acids helps relieve and prevent acne. Apricot kernel oil, a lighter, enriching alternative that is ideal for use on mature skin for those who has nut allergy. This non-irritating, soothing oil is easily applied topically, as its thin consistency allows it to absorb quickly but penetrate deeply into the skin, leaving it looking and feeling smooth and soft. It can help to gently remove dead skin cells, making the skin appear brighter and dark spots less noticeable. Apricot kernel oil nourishes the skin to decrease the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improves skin tone, and increases skin radiance. It also has antiseptic, antibacterial, and antioxidant effects, which can help to heal blemishes and protect against environmental damages. The uses of apricot kernel carrier oil are abundant, ranging from medicinal to cosmetic. Its many forms include massage oils, hair oils, gels, body butters, lip products, perfumes, lotions, creams, soaps, bath products, shampoos, and other hair care products. Used topically, apricot kernel oil makes a non-greasy, enriching emollient. It can be applied directly to the skin as a revitalizing salve that soothes and prevents acne, inflammation, and dryness. Used under the eyes, it is known to diminish the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. It can be massaged into the face to gently and effectively cleanse and soften the skin. Additionally, it can be applied in a thick layer as a moisturizing, fast-absorbing face mask that leaves dry, sensitive skin feeling and looking dewy, silky, supple, and evenly toned. To remove makeup without scrubbing the skin with harsh cleansers, apricot kernel oil can be applied to easily dissolve and remove oil on the skin as well as residue from oil-based makeup. Apricot kernel oil can create a nice facial oil that is ideal for sensitive skin. The blend can be massaged into a freshly cleansed face and neck and left on for up to 20 minutes before being blotted away with a facial tissue. Those with acne-prone skin may experience the clogging of pores if the apricot kernel carrier oil is used on its own at 100% concentration. Accordingly, apricot kernel oil may be blended with a non-comedogenic oil, such as hemp seed carrier oil, and diluted for use in oil cleansers and serums. For a massage blend that soothes, reduces, and prevents acne as well as scaly skin associated with psoriasis and eczema. Used in hair, apricot kernel carrier oil can detangle and nourish the strands, thereby promoting hair growth. To create a hair mask that not only reduces scalp problems related to dryness. Thank you for watching. If you like to know more natural carrier oils, you can see the playlist in the description below. Like or comment down below to share your experience using this apricot kernel oil. Subscribe to our channel for more information and extensive knowledge of natural product ingredients.